and welcome to a video tutorial. Irina here with you. In this video, let us talk about how to record prepayments and bulk payments and how to allocate them to single invoices or a batch of invoices. These payments can be collected from a client, a contact, or a third party, whoever the payee for the services you provided is. So stay with me and let's have a look at this feature. Let us start with collecting and recording a prepayment from a client added to the client profile so that then it's existing as an available payment that we will be using for the consecutive invoices. So we will start with going to the sales menu and clicking new payment. And here we'll just need to look up the name of the client whose payment we are recording. The system will take us over into the client profile on the billing payments page, and here the new client payment form will be open for us. So what we can do here is update the date received. So for example, if you are processing the bank transfer from your bank feed, you can see that you can see the date when the payment was actually received from the client. Then let's select the payment method. In this case, let's use the direct deposit. Enter the amount that the client has transferred you, set up the location for their appointments, and leave some notes and save the changes. So there you go, we now have a prepayment that's available in the list of payments for this client. Now let me show you how you can use this payment to pay for a client's invoice or appointment. So let's go to the calendar. Okay, so let us create an appointment for this client, select a service, and save. So we created an appointment which has an invoice linked to it, and now when we click into the payment method here, we will see at the top the use existing payment option. It will tell us about this payment, so when it was received, the total amount received, and what amount is available, and also the note related to this payment. So let's select it. And the system will automatically allocate an amount to be used to pay for this invoice, which will be equal to the amount owing of this invoice. And we'll just click Save the changes. And this way we have recorded the prepayment we received from the client, and we started allocating it to the appointments and invoices. So next time you create an invoice which is linked or not linked to the appointment, and if you click into the add payments, you will see that existing prepayment sitting there at the top of your list of your choices for payments, and you can keep using it until it's used up. In this part of the video, let us now have a look at how to record a bulk payment and then allocate them to more than one invoice. So, for example, you've been sending client invoices to a third party who is the payee for this client for the whole month. So, and then the payee, the third party, received all your invoices and sent you a payment for all of them invoices as one bulk payment. So let's work on this use case. So you received the payment, it's sitting there in your bank feed, you can see that it's been transferred and received, and now you need to record it first in your Zendesk account. To do that, let's jump into the quick search and look up for the third party this payment is from. For example, you know their business name, and it was received from this manager. So now we are inside the client, the third-party profile. Let's go into the billing and payments and click Add New Payment. So again, you received it, let's say, last week on Friday. You received it through the direct deposit, and this is the amount that you've received. And this is the note, for example, the name of the client whose this payment has been received for. So let's save that. So once we've recorded the payment, the system will show a list of unpaid invoices that are billed to this third party here below. If there are multiple clients that this third party is paying for, you can easily filter this list by the client name. So I'm clicking this sandwich button next to the client name column. And in the filter, show rows where, I just type in the client name and filter. All right, and here I get a list of unpaid invoices for this client, and I can quickly select which invoices I want to pay with this bulk payment. So I'll be paying 4 invoices for the standard consultations. I'll just check those and then click Save. And this allocates the amount paid to the relevant invoices. And now here you can see that the unallocated amount is 0, and you've added a payment to multiple invoices by recording just one payment. And now let us have a look at how to pay for a statement using the bulk payment. So, for example, again, you sent a statement to a third party for a number of invoices of different clients, and it was showing, of course, the amount owing, and the third party has processed this payment. It's received. You are seeing this in your bank feed, and now you can allocate the payment you received to your invoices in Zenda and just finish to make your record straight. So let's do that. Let's go and add this payment. Again, you can do this either through the quick search by searching for the third party, or by adding the payment through the sales menu. Let's go it this way so that you have so that you are introduced to different ways of adding new payments in your Zenda account. So let's click on new payment, and the payment is from the Health Assist Plan Manager, Anna Smith. Okay, so now we are in this third party's profile in the payments section, and we are seeing the form where you can add a new payment. So for example, yes, you received it today. The payment method again is a direct deposit, and this is the amount that you received from this third party. So you've entered all the details. Let's click Save Changes. And now to allocate this amount to a statement, to all the invoices that have been linked to one statement, let's do this. Let's click Show Filter, and here let's click into the statement drop down and select the statement that this payment has been received for. So it's this statement. Let's click Update Invoice List. Let's now select the invoices that are included here and click Save. So there you go. We processed the payment, we allocated it to multiple invoices that have been included in one statement. And now you can see that the unallocated amount is 0, and those invoices have been paid. That's all for now. Thank you for staying with me. I hope you found something useful for yourself in this video, and I will see you another time.